Let's see the double integrations, how to solve the double integrations where limits are given. Now this is the example. Evaluate double integration of x plus y dy dx, and limits are given 0 to 1 minus x, 0 to 1. Now we have to consider these double integrations with limits are given. Now we can solve this directly because of innermost integral having the limits as a function of x. That means these are the limits for y, so that innermost integration with respect to y first, and then we can solve with respect to x. Now see the example. I is equals to integral, outer integral is from 0 to 1, so innermost integration, because of limits are functions of x, that means these are the limits for y. So innermost integral we can solve with respect to y, and then after solving with respect to y we can solve with respect to x. After solving the outer one integration with respect to x, by putting the upper limit and lower limit, we'll get the answer as 1 by 3. Similarly, see this example. Evaluate double integration where limits are given. Same by that method. These are the limits of x, because this is a function of y, that's why these are the limits for x. Integration first with respect to x, and then these are the limits for y. So this is a double integration where limits are given. Same way, I integral is equals to outer integration is with respect to y and innermost integration with respect to x. For solving this innermost integral we can call it as I1. So for solving I1 we can put a substitution, 1 minus y square is equal to a square. After putting the substitution we can use the standard integration formula, that is sin inverse x by a. After putting upper limit minus lower limit we can get the answer. So this is again the example related to double integration where limits are given, direct method. Thank you.